Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to view who follows you on Gmail. If you're wondering who's on your contact list or simply want to manage your connections better, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, launch the Gmail app on your Android device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This opens the menu, giving you more options to explore. Now, scroll down until you find the Contacts option. Tap on it, and if you have the Google Contacts app installed, it will open automatically. If not, don't worry. You might need to download it from the Google Play Store. Just search for Google Contacts and hit install. Finally, you're in the Google Contacts app. Here, you can view all your saved contacts in one place. You can easily manage your contacts, edit information, or even add new ones. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily see who follows you on Gmail and keep your contacts organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.